Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on the application of TikTok. We go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click. After that, here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your time.